followed by question and answer. Question number 1. What is the site of fertilization in humans? A. Uterus, B. Ovary, C. Cervix, D. Fallopian tube. Answer: fallopian tube. Question number 2. Which hormone is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics? A. Luteinizing hormone, B. Follicle stimulating hormone, C. Testosterone, D. Estrogen. Answer: testosterone. Question number 3. Which hormone is responsible for ovulation in females? A. Luteinizing hormone, B. Follicle stimulating hormone, C. Progesterone, D. Estrogen. Answer: luteinizing hormone. Question number 4. What is the term for the process by which a mature egg is released from the ovary? A. Fertilization, B. Implantation, C. Ovulation, D. Menstruation. Answer: ovulation. Question number 5. What is the term for the process by which a fertilized egg implants itself in the wall of the uterus? A. Fertilization, B. Implantation, C. Ovulation, D. Menstruation. Answer: implantation. Question number 6. What is the function of the prostate gland in males? A. Production of semen, B. Production of testosterone, C. Secretion of lubricating fluid during intercourse, D. None of the above. Answer: production of semen. Question number 7. What is the function of the seminal vesicles in males? A. Production of semen, B. Production of testosterone, C. Secretion of lubricating fluid during intercourse, D. None of the above. Answer: production of semen. Question number 8. What is the term for the shading of the lining of the uterus in female? A. Fertilization, B. Implantation, C. Ovulation, D. Menstruation. Answer: menstruation. Question number 9. Which hormone is responsible for maintaining the lining of the uterus during pregnancy? A. Luteinizing hormone, B. Follicle stimulating hormone, C. Progesterone, D. Estrogen. Answer: progesterone. Question number 10. What is the term for the surgical sterilization procedure in males? A. Vasectomy, tubercle ligation, hysterectomy, none of the above. Answer: vasectomy. Question number 11. What is the primary function of the fallopian tube in the female reproductive system? A. Ovulation, B. Fertilization, C. Menstruation, D. Implantation. Answer: fertilization. Question number 12. Which male reproductive organ produces testosterone and sperm? A. Epididymis, B. Seminal vesicles, C. Prostate gland, D. Testis. Answer: testes. Question number 13. Which of the following is the correct sequence of events during human fertilization? A. Sperm penetrates the egg, zygote forms, implantation occurs. B. Zygote forms, sperm fertilization penetrates the egg, implantation occurs. C. Implantation occurs, zygote forms, sperm penetrates the egg. D. Sperm penetrates the egg, implantation occurs, zygote forms. Answer: sperm penetrates the egg, zygote forms, implantation occurs. Question number 14. What is the name of the structure that connects the developing fetus to the uterine wall, allowing for nutrient and waste exchange? A. Cervix, B. Placenta, C. Ovary, D. Urethra. Answer placenta. Question number 15. During the menstruational cycle, the releases of LH, which mean luteinizing hormone, triggers A. Menstruation, B. Ovulation, C. Pregnancy, D. Fertilization. Answer ovulation. I hope you people have understood the concepts. You enjoyed the session. Thank you so much, children. If you want, you can subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. Thank you so much.